Go to the Skype and open the chat box. Go to the Skype. Try to download the payment terms configurations for this customer master records.
No, already
Right, all of you. Yes, yes. So here in payment terms configurations for customers with cash discounts, you know it very well, all of you. So how much cash discount that we are getting from the vendor, you know it. And then next one also, when you are getting the raw material from the vendor, okay, you would do the finish. I mean, you would create the finished goods, right? Okay, so based on that finished goods, you will sell the goods to the customer. Okay, so when you sell the goods to the customer on the particular item that you are selling, so will you give the cash discounts for that particular item to the customer? Okay, so that is the main scenario for the payment terms configurations for customers with cash discount. It is a simple logic and all. In ECC, we don't face any problems regarding with any configurations and all. Those are the standard configurations. But when it comes to the SAP for HANA, okay, automatically based on the ledger wise and based on the currency wise also we will get the errors. Okay, so I mean nowadays most of the peoples are not getting the errors, but I think so based on the versions only you will going to get the errors. Okay, so if the errors are not getting properly in your system, so you are doing in a wrong way. Okay, why? Because someone has configured the system very perfectly. If you, I mean, if they configure the system very perfectly, how you can able to learn the configurations? Okay, how you can able to learn these errors and all resolutions and all. So you cannot able to learn each and everything, right? So the system should not be in a perfect mode. It should be in a 60% perfect mode and 40 rest of the 40% we should cover it. Okay. The thing is that when you face the problem with any service, when you face the problem with any client and all, how you are giving the solutions. How you are giving the solutions. That is very, very important in SAP S4 HANA. Okay, so okay, all of you, there is no issue for this thing. Go to this create terms of payment, payment using transaction code OPP8. You know it very well, all of you. So these terms of payments are used for the accounts receivables. Okay, for the particular customer master data and all to give the cash discounts based on their purchases. Okay, so when it comes to the goods that we sell, okay, automatically we give the cash discounts based on the estimations of the prices and all. See, when it comes to the product costing and all, I mean, usually, I think so. I didn't work on any product costings and all, but I will tell you based on my, I mean, CO consultant requirements and all. Okay, they just do the things right. So they will just estimate the product prices of the particular client things and all. And after that, so I will just see the informations and all in real time, and how they are allocating each and every budget to the particular product and all. So based on which price they are selling this product, and based on which allocations they are selling this product and all, we should know it, all of you. So without having all these things, how you can sell these goods to the customer? Okay, so first the price should be decided by the client. Based on the client, CEO consultants will do the allocations. Based on the allocations, they just do the estimation process and all. So based on that, end user will going to post the invoices. This is completely related to the answers document for the COs and all. Okay, so rest of the things will be taken care by FI and MM and SDs and all. That is another issue. Okay, good. The new address. Hmm. Any payment terms, anything for the customers and all. RA and okay, good. So in the sales text, what we need to do is in the sales text, payment terms for customers, same thing. Payment terms for customers. Remove the vendor and give the customer. Everything is in all of you. And this accounting type is there, right? And that is particularly related to the customers also. You can able to assign these payment terms to the accounting type, okay, either customer or vendor, and based on the calculations. Okay, see all of you, I will just give you the one example. You are doing the configurations for the payment terms, right? And you will get to know the point that, okay, and you will get some doubts. Okay, why we are, I mean, why we are not using the fixed date and additional months and all. See all of you, if you give the cash discounts to the particular customer, automatically we don't cap, I mean, we don't give any fixed date and additional months. Okay, we don't give any fixed dates and additional months. But the main important thing is that when you are giving the cash discounts for the particular based on the dates, then only we can able to give the fixed date and additional months. Why? Because all of you, when you are configuring the things with the fixed data and additional months calculations for the particular customers, okay, we just give these things, okay, fixed date calculations and additional months. So based on the client requirement only, we can able to map the information, okay, into the SAP system. You know it very well, payment block and payment method. So block key is very, very important, and payment method is also very, very important. So shall I give the cash discounts to the particular customer, even though if the payment terms, I mean, even though if the payment terms is assigned to the particular customer master records, okay. So when you give the block key, if the payment terms is assigned to the particular customer master account, automatically cash discounts also not calculated. Okay, that is the important thing. When you give the block key with the payment method. In automatic payment program also, you will not going to get any cash discounts payments. Okay, so you will get full payment for the particular customer. Try to understand the point. And I think so. Tomorrow's class and day after tomorrow's class, Tomorrow we have installment payment terms class and down payments and all. And after that, automatic payment program. So how we are creating new house banks with the different servers, okay, in SAP S4 HANA is very, very important in interview point of view. In default for baseline date, take out the document data. Based on the document data only, we are giving the cash discounts. Okay, so give the document date here. Yes, and the next one is see all of you tomorrow. We will do the installment payment terms configurations. So when you are doing the installment payment terms configurations and all, okay, first we need to pay the installment, right? So based on the installment, can we get the cash discounts? Yes, we can able to get the cash discounts. So that is the scenario for this installment payment term. Okay, so for the 4%, we have 10 days. For the 3%, we have 30 days. That means within 30 days, within 10 days, we will get the 4% cash discount. Within 20 days, we get the 3% cash discount. Within 30 days, there is a unit. Okay, no one will going to give the cash discounts. That is the important thing right now we have. Can you click on the enter and go to the save button and save it. Show me the next configuration. Create cash discount pay, okay, using transaction code FS00. Here the account group is other expenses. So when you are giving the cash discounts to the particular customer, so that is your expenses, right? Okay. I mean, even though if it is not expenses anymore, you just need to have the report, okay, for the particular month and also year. So that is why we just give this cash discount paid account in the expenses. Go to the OBD4 transaction code and try to find out the expenses.
No, already I have done this configuration.
Go to the transaction code OBD4, no issue. We will try to find out the expenses. See, if you done the configurations for the thing and all, there is no issue. Okay. I think so. Some of the persons are not done the configurations, right? So that is why I'm taking this class. What is the expenses here? Other expenses 400, 600. Go to the transaction code FS00. Go to the transaction code FS00 and try to create this. 400, 600 and give your company code. Same thing. Account group is expenses and P&L account, other expenses and all. And short text is give the account group and short text and GL long text.
Hello, Anna. Hello.
I'm getting some internet connection. Yeah. Connection issues and all.
Okay.
Okay, good. So the next one, currency is INR and soft key is 001, and field status group is also 001. Okay, so that is general data with the allocations and all. See, when the payment terms of field is not appearing in your FB60 invoices or FB70 invoices and all, based on the field status group only, those will be monitored. Okay. So based on your account, cash discounts accounts and all, okay, automatically, if the payment terms field is not finding, okay, if your payment terms fields are not finding, what we will do? So we will just go back to this field status group of the particular GL account, whether we will going to see either it is in a suppressed mode or in a required mode or in a optional mode. Okay, I think so. Nagaraju has got this error. Okay, that is the thing, and we need to change these things. Okay, so based on the requirement, and also users will send the things. Okay, and I mean users will send you the errors also. That is the important thing. Or it's now I will show you how these things are happening and all. Double click on this Z001. Double click on this Z001 and go to this payment transactions. Go to this payment transactions. Okay, so payment terms are in suppressed. Okay, payment terms are in suppressed. We will try to see. Okay, for this account, payment terms fields are in suppressed. Now we will going to see. Don't make any changes here. Okay, give /n and go to the next configuration. When it comes to the FB70 invoice posting, we will going to see whether these payment terms fields are appearing or not. Okay, give /n and go to the transaction code OB XL. Okay, so that is cash discount paid account assignments to the particular customer's transaction keys. Give you a chart of accounts, go to the continue option. So cash discounts expenses account, what we need to do is go to the drop down option. Go to the drop down option. Continue. Take out the 400601. Yes, no issue. You click on the enter, go to the save button and submit. SKT transaction is for the customers. SKE transaction key for the vendors. Okay, go to the continue option and give /n. So show me the next configuration. No. Don't go to, don't go to the transactions directly. After the completion of the configurations and all, right. So the next one is assign payment terms in customer master data using transaction code XD02. Go to the transaction code XD02. Go to the transaction code XD02. Give the customer. Also, all of you, today we have got the material errors for one of our training. Okay. See, try to learn the proper configurations. Okay. And while I am doing this configuration, what is the structure behind this configuration? Try to understand the point. Then you can come to the conclusions. Okay, right. So go to the continue option. Go to the company code data. All these payment transactions. Okay, general transaction is different. So in the payment transactions tab, go to the payment transactions tab and give the terms of payment as RAN2. Find it with anything. RAN2. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, remove this thing. And what is the last thing? We need to post this thing, right? So customer invoice posting using transaction code FB70. Go to the transaction code FB70. All of you don't neglect the configurations and all. Please do your configurations, okay? Give the customer. And invoice sheet 2406.2023. Good. And the amount is any amount. Give the GL account, that is sales account. The next one is amount. Customer account data to the sales account credit, right? Now, what you need to do is go up, go to the payment tab. In the payment tab, okay, so you are getting the fields based on the customer master records and all. And I mean, if that, if this payment terms fields are not showing in your payment tab based on the customer accounting groups, based on the GL account of field status groups also, okay. So if those things are in suppressed, I think so, or in OB D3 transaction code, OBD2 transaction code. So you have the optional field for the particular payment term. So that is why you are getting all these things. No need to worry. So if this is not there, go to this particular FS00 transaction code. In that, take out the GL account, go to the field status group and try to change it to the optional. Automatically, you are going to get it. No issue. Go to the simulate option and try to save these things. This document was posted. The next one is F-53. Go to the transaction code F-53. Sorry, F-28. For the customer payments received. Give the document date and posting date. And the next one is document header text. That is receiving payment from customer. Receiving payment from customer. See, on time, we need to complete the classes, all of you. Why? Because at one point of time, you will going to have interview calls and all. So that we should practice all these things in a proper mode. So then only you will going to get the jobs. Otherwise, you're not going to get any job. Okay. Nowadays, interviews are very tough. So based on that stuff, please try to prepare the subject. Okay. Tomorrow we have interview questions, all of you. Please attend the class at 6:15 a.m. Okay. Morning, early morning, 6:15 a.m. I will ask you the questions till 6:45 a.m. After that, I will going to start the configurations of the installment payment terms for vendors as well as the customers. Okay, and after that, main topics will come. From that thing, main topics will come. Integrations, asset accounting, all these will come. Go to the process open items. All are perfect, right? Okay, so how much cash discount you are getting? So assign the cash discount also. Double click on 400. Yes. Double click on 400. Okay, so go to this charge of differences. Go to the charge of references and the amount is 9,600. Go to the process open items. Right. So go to the document simulate option and go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and save it, no issue. And go to the FBL 5 to see the line item display report of the customers. To see the line item display of the customers. You can able to see each and everything, all of you, on the 24, whatever the transactions that we have done. Okay. So this is the main important thing right now we have for the ECC. I will going to stop this recording, all of you.